Today we'll be checking out car inventions from $7 up to $190, starting with this slime cleaner for $7. As long as you don't leave it in the hot sun, this cleaning gel can be used again and again without leaving residue behind. One of the most popular uses for the ColorCoral cleaning gel is for car interior dust cleaning, though it can also be used to clean keyboards and more. There are often hard-to-reach areas in your car that can't be cleaned with a traditional wipe, and this invention can reach the dust in vents, dashboards, and cup holders easily. The cleaning gel is made of natural materials, has a pleasant lavender fragrance, and is not sticky to the hands. If you're looking for a versatile and effective cleaning tool, this ColorCoral Universal Cleaning Gel should do the trick. The next invention is a $14 tool designed to clear snow and ice from cars and trucks. One of the key features of the SnowJoe is its 18-inch wide, non-abrasive foam head. This special foam head is designed to push heavy, wet snow off vehicles without damaging the paint, trim, or glass. This means you can safely and effectively remove snow from your car without worrying about unsightly scratching. Another great feature of the SnowJoe is its built-in ice scraper, which allows you to easily remove ice and frost from your car's windows. The telescoping pole on the SnowJoe also adjusts from 30 inches to 49 inches, making it easy to reach all areas of your car, even if you have a larger SUV or truck. The SnowJoe also comes with a bracket holder that secures the pole for storage. It's lightweight, weighing only 1.2 pounds, and easy to handle for anyone. This is a great tool to have in your car during the tough winter season. Next up is a $10 invention that could potentially be a lifesaver in emergency situations. The Resqme, also known as the Rescue Tool Keyring, is a compact emergency car safety tool that aims to provide peace of mind to drivers and their families in the event of a car entrapment. The Resqme features both a jammed seatbelt cutter and a tempered glass window breaker. The cutter is equipped with a razor-sharp, stainless steel blade that can quickly cut a jammed seatbelt diagonally for a clean cut, and can be used multiple times. The window breaker, on the other hand, is a heavy-duty stainless steel spike that can shatter tempered glass side windows with minimal effort. It's important to note that this tool is not designed to work on laminated glass or car windshields, just the side windows. The Resqme is surprisingly compact yet powerful. It can be attached to a keychain, rearview mirror, headrest, or any other location that is easily accessible in case of emergencies. While it's not an everyday tool, it's important to have a backup plan in case of emergency. However, it's always recommended to check your car's manual and familiarize yourself with the emergency features that your car already has before purchasing additional emergency tools. The AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera is a popular choice for drivers looking for a convenient solution to poor rear-view visibility, and it costs about $190. One of the key features of this camera is its quick and easy installation process that can be completed in just 3 minutes without the need for drilling or wiring, which cheaper models typically require. The camera can be attached to the top or bottom of any standard US license plate frame using only a screwdriver. Another advantage of this camera is that it is battery-powered, which means it can work independently without connecting to the car's circuit. This allows for greater flexibility in terms of installation and usage. The camera is also equipped with a superior low-light vision that can display clear images even in complete darkness up to 30 feet away. The camera is also designed to be weatherproof and durable, making it suitable for use in any condition. Next, we'll be looking at a unique phone holder for cars that takes advantage of gravity to keep your phone in place. This $26 Batman-inspired invention is not only functional but also offers a memorable design. It can hold most smartphones, including popular models from Apple, Samsung and Sony. The holder has multiple functions, as it can be used on the air vent, dashboard, or windshield, and features an automatic locking retractable clamp system for easy operation. The holder also has a strong suction pad that can easily stick to most flat surfaces, making it a secure and safe option for hands-free phone use while driving. It's a nice addition for Batman fans who want to add a subtle touch of the iconic superhero to their car or room. Let's check out the KJOY Bluetooth LED sign, a programmable LED display that can be utilized in various settings such as cars, stores, or homes. The $45 sign is 14.6 inches by 3.6 inches and features flexible and energy-efficient LED technology. One of the main features of this sign is the ability to customize text, patterns, and animations using a Bluetooth-connected app. The app also has a variety of pre-designed patterns and animations to choose from, and even includes a music mode. Installation of the sign is easy as it is thin and light and can be bent and folded as required. The surface of the sign is made with glue drop technology, which is IP65 waterproof, so it can be directly attached to car glass without the need for suction cups. This invention can be used in a variety of settings and it is available in 11 languages. It's a convenient way to communicate personal messages or advertisements while on the road. The Baseus car vacuum cleaner is a handheld cordless vacuum intended for cleaning various surfaces in your car, home, and kitchen that's currently on sale for $76. It is designed with a high-speed brushless motor that provides a powerful suction to clean small, hard-to-reach places such as car interiors, keyboards, and sofas. Additionally, it has 2 power levels that can be adjusted to avoid hardware damage when cleaning electronics. The vacuum can be charged quickly with a USB-C fast charging cable, taking only 3.5 hours to charge, and has a long battery life of 45 minutes after a full charge. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver around tight spaces and corners. The built-in LED light helps to illuminate dark areas, which make it easier to spot dirt and debris. The vacuum comes with a durable filter and a 2-in-1 nozzle which allows for more efficient cleaning in every corner and edge. The filter and dust cup are washable, reusable, and easy to clean. The wiiyii Car HUD is a $46 invention that aims to improve your driving experience by displaying important information like speed, water temperature, voltage, fuel consumption, and more directly to the driver. It eliminates the need to look down at the dashboard or other instruments, which can help reduce distractions and the risk of accidents. This device comes with 10 different interfaces that can be switched between freely, and it has a clear fault code and read data stream. It can be installed in 2 ways, on the dashboard or on the windshield, with an adjustable bracket. It's easy to operate and does not damage the car in any way. It's designed to be a useful tool for drivers who want to avoid getting points on their driving record or paying hundreds of dollars in speeding tickets. The device is equipped with an ambient light that changes color depending on the driving situation. When driving normally, the light is blue, but if the driver is speeding, it will change to red as an alarm. However, it's important to note that the gadget is not compatible with certain vehicle types and brands, such as hybrid electric vehicles, diesel cars, pickup trucks, and RVs. Before purchasing, it's important to check the compatibility with your specific vehicle to ensure it will work properly. The Amper Blind Spot Mirror is a pack of 2 mirrors for $7 that are designed to enhance the driver's visibility while on the road. The mirrors are 2 inches in diameter and made of glass which is frameless and convex, providing a wide-angle view of the surrounding area. The mirrors come with an adjustable swivel mounting bracket that allows for easy installation. It's important to note that when attaching the mirrors to your car's side mirrors, it's crucial to clean the surface first with alcohol or another cleaning product, and press down firmly to prevent them from falling off. They are waterproof and rust-resistant, and the glass will not haze. They are easy to install and test within seconds. These mirrors are a great addition to trucks, cars, SUVs, RVs and vans, but it's important to note that they are not suitable for motorcycles. Up next is the CarAIDE Multitool, a $100 invention that primarily jump-starts vehicles. It features overload protection, spark-proof design, and reverse connection protection to prevent accidents. The device also has intelligent temperature protection that allows it to work in extreme temperatures, from -4 to 140 degrees. It is also waterproof and shockproof, making it suitable for use in harsh environments. In addition to being a jump starter, it also includes a variety of emergency escape tools such as a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, emergency alarm, SOS flash, compass, thermometer, hook, and emergency rope. The device is designed to be ergonomic, waterproof, dirt-resistant, shock-resistant, slip-resistant, and even has a kids lock feature. This gadget also serves as a professional flashlight and high-capacity rechargeable power bank. It's always a good idea to have a jump starter in your vehicle, but this invention goes above and beyond by including useful emergency tools. Please check out our last video on spy gadgets if you missed it. Thank you for watching Tech Unfolds.